question number 17. So that's, it says rationalize the denominator of 1 over root 7. So 1 over root 7. So if you need to rationalize it, you need to times it by root 7 and divide it by root 7. 1 times root 7, what is going to give us? It's going to give us root 7 and root 7 squares, because it's multiplying 2 times, and square root cancel out. So we will get after that root 7 over 7, and it's only 1 mark. Okay, so we have 17b now. It says simplify fully. So what does that mean, simplify? So you need to write it down in a simplest form. The simplest form is root 80. Let's write down here first. Root 80 minus root 5. And root 80, so we need to think about a square number. So 16 times 5 is 80 minus root 5. So 16 is a square number. So 16 will be 16 square root is 4. So 4 root 5 minus root 5. So 4 minus 1 will get with 3 root 5. So this is our final answer. And this is also 2 marks, easy question, 3 root 5.